Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about one of the most useful functions in Microsoft Excel, that is Vlookup. I have personally used this function on many occasions where I needed to compare values or needed to copy values from one inventory to another. And there are basically so many uses for these functions that if you get into this particular function, it can make your life a whole lot easier. So as you can see in front of me, I'm having a data set which basically represents a server inventory, and some of the values are missing in this particular scenario. So you can see the B column represents the server IP and I'm missing the host name. Let's just say you are having the host name available in another inventory. So how you can copy all those associated with the IP? Let's just use Vlookup function to achieve our goal. Simply type in equal to, search for the function Vlookup. The moment you see the function, press tab. Now you have to select the condition, like the value from where you want to compare. You can select either one particular value. I usually go for the entire column. Press comma, go to the second sheet. Now I'm selecting a range where I want to compare the values. As you can see, I have selected B, C and D. So the index value became 1, 2, 3. I repeat again. It is not going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. It is going to be 1, 2, 3. So basically I want the host name. I'm going to press comma and going to provide number 3 since I want the host name, and the index value for host name became 3. Press comma, select false, that is exact match. Press tab and close the bracket and press enter. As you can see, the moment I did that, I got my host name. Now I want to repeat the same thing for my other IP addresses as well. Go to the right hand bottom side. The moment you see the plus sign, double click on it and you will get all the values associated with each and every IP address. I have seen people struggle with another thing when they are utilizing Vlookup or any kind of function, that is, if they try to copy the value and paste it somewhere else, since they are utilizing a formula, they will get NA. So how to resolve this particular issue? It is very simple. Simply select the values, press Ctrl C, that is copy, right click, go to this particular option, that is values. What you are doing here is you are removing the background formula and now you are only pasting the values that you got from another sheet. Alright, another usage which I have basically utilized Vlookup for is to compare the values between two different sheets and to identify which are the values missing from one particular sheet. Let's just say you are having two different sheets. Recently you have decommissioned few servers and you want to identify that which are the servers you decommission. So in this particular scenario, you can see in my first sheet I am having 17 entries and in my second sheet I am having 20 entries. So definitely I have decommissioned few servers. I want to identify exactly which are the servers I have decommissioned. What I can do, I can utilize Vlookup in this particular scenario as well. Type in Vlookup, search for the function, press tab, select the column, again comma, select the other column where you want to compare the value from, again comma. Since I have only selected one column, so the index value is going to remain 1. Press 1, again comma, select false, I need the exact match. Now close the bracket. As you can see, the formula will appear something like this. Press enter. You can see this particular IP is present in my sheet 1. Now if I repeat the same thing for other values, go to the right hand bottom side. The moment you see the plus sign, double click on it. There are few entries which basically displays NA. That means they are missing from sheet 1. In that manner, you can utilize Vlookup to identify like which are the servers or which are the values missing from one particular file. I hope you like this video. Please do share with someone who can benefit from this kind of tutorial, and do let me know what are the technologies you want me to cover in my upcoming videos. It can be related to Excel, Linux, or any other technology you want me to cover, you can mention in the comment section. Thank you so much for your time and have a wonderful day.